Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to your midweek weather forecast for the beautiful U.S. Virgin Islands. Let's take a quick look at what we can expect for the next few days ahead, and we'll of course address what's going on out in the tropics. Okay, my friends, I hope you're doing very well out there across the beautiful U.S. Virgin Islands. We have a lot to talk about regarding the tropics, as Tropical Storm Erin is forecast to pass at least close to the U.S. Virgin Islands, and there is still uncertainty on the exact track of the storm, but it is forecast to be at hurricane strength by the time that it passes near the local region. Please follow this closely, my friends. I am recording this video on Wednesday, August 13th, and things will likely change over the coming days. Here is a quick forecast for the next few days, courtesy of weather.com, and according to our friends over at the National Weather Service in San Juan, Puerto Rico, we'll have a chance of showers and thunderstorms on Thursday and Friday with some warm temperatures, gusty winds, and some Saharan dust. The forecast will become more uncertain on Saturday and Sunday, as everything really depends on just how close Tropical Storm Erin comes to the U.S. Virgin Islands. The National Weather Service has noted that by Saturday, rain bands will arrive, and rain with thunderstorms could last into early next week. The National Weather Service also notes the potential for flooding and mudslides due to the possibility of heavy rain associated with Erin. For our surfer, sailor, and swimmer friends out there, the current water temperature around the local islands is approximately 85 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, about 29 to 30 degrees Celsius. The rip current risk will be moderate until around Saturday, when we could see some very choppy seas and a high rip current risk due to Tropical Storm Erin. Marine alerts will likely be issued, so please follow the National Weather Service closely on this. Finally, for our Tropic Watch, as of the recording of this video on Wednesday, August 13th, again, as I mentioned, the National Hurricane Center is monitoring Tropical Storm Erin, which is expected to intensify into a hurricane and pass at least close to the U.S. Virgin Islands. I cannot stress enough that this track can change, and although computer models are generally in agreement of a northerly turn, nothing is guaranteed, so please be prepared regardless, and we still have a ways to go in this year's hurricane season. The Climate Prediction Center expects the possibility of more cyclonic development in the coming weeks, so please stay safe out there. Monitor the National Hurricane Center, and as always, my friends, I will keep an eye on the tropical skies come rain or shine.